Hi guys! Welcome back to another episode of Jomix Diaries. So today, medyo out of my ordinary workday tayo. Instead of doing my usual routine, I was asked to join our decoration team for our agency booth for the upcoming 86th Marawi City Charter Day, Araw ng Marawi, which officially starts today, August 19, 2026. And honestly, nung una kong narinig na kasama ako sa decoration team, I was like, okay game, let's decorate, char. Pero alam niyo naman ako, once I'm already there, automatic trabaho mode na. So we went to the venue early para maayos namin yung booth namin before everything gets busy. Pagdating namin, guess what? Mga 2 o 3 agencies pa lang ang nandun. And in my mind, I was thinking, akala ko ang dami ng agencies dito. Pero doon ko rin na-realize na being an early bird actually has its advantages. Kapag maaga ka, mas maluwag ang space, hindi ka nagmamadali, and you have enough time to think about where you're going to put everything. You can actually enjoy the process instead of rushing because everyone else is already there. And although, to be honest, hindi naman talaga namin goal na manalo sa booth competition. Ang pinaka-importanting bagay for us is simply to be present. We're here to represent our agency, meet people, and most importantly, deliver our services to the visitors who might need information or assistance from us. Kasi minsan kapag may ganitong event, ang nakikita lang natin is the decorations, the colors, the booths, and all the activities. Pero behind every booth, may mga taong nag-e-effort din para maging ready. May nag-design, may nagbuhat, may nag-organize, may nag-print, may nag-ayos, at syempre, may mga taong tulad kong na-assign sa decoration chart. And this celebration will run from August 19 until August 23. Sadly, hindi ko siguro maibabahagi sa inyo yung everyday happenings because I still have my regular work responsibilities. Pero sa last day, baka pwede na. Kasi mag-overtime ang lola ninyo, so baka sa last day, makapag-share ako ng konting behind the scenes. So ayun, that's my little Jomix diary for today, from the usual work routine to decorating a booth for Araw ng Marawi. And today, the celebration officially begins. Until my next diary entry, this is Jomix saying, sometimes the unexpected work days become the memories we remember the most.